Let's turn now to Mary also from Alabaster. Mary, we appreciate you joining us tonight. How can we help this evening?
Yes, I wanted to know, is there a law firm that people who are not wealthy can go to and get a will made? My daughter had contacted some lawyer, and they told her she would have to pay a $3,000 retainer fee, and I forget how much an hour to get a will prepared, and none of the retainer would be returned. You know, that was totally what she would have to pay. So we, of course, did not go to that person because each one of us need a will, and we don't have that kind of money to make a will. And I'm in my 80s, and she's in her 60s.
Okay.
So we do need to get our separate wills made. We each own a home.
Well, Mary, I'm so glad you called with that. Ross, they can do better.
It can be done better. I'm sorry that you had that experience, but there are a lot of great programs in the Birmingham and surrounding areas. The Birmingham Volunteer Lawyer Program has a fantastic will clinic, and I've been participating in that. Well, I participated in it many years ago, and it's an income threshold. So if you give them a call and they'll ask some background questions, you have to submit some documents relating to income. And if you qualify, then the Birmingham Volunteer Lawyer Program will provide you with an attorney to do that will, or you can participate in one of the will clinics. There's the Legal Aid Society, there's the State Bar. There are a lot of resources. If you don't have that, like a lot of people don't have $3,000, that's a lot of money to spend when you've got to eat as well.
Yes, yes.
So there are options out there, and but I would start with the Birmingham Volunteer Lawyer Program.
I'm involved in that program as well, Ross. It's a wonderful program. We have Graham on the show a couple of times a year. Great program. But isn't it fair to say that depending on the complexity, but not all wills have to be that expensive, do they?
That's right, Kirby. The complexity really drives the price, and what most people need is not $3,000 worth of will. Mm-hmm. It depends on whether or not you have younger children under the age of 19 and what kind of assets you have. Okay. If you are trying to wrap businesses into your will or have a lot of complex gifts, then that price can go up. But to get your wishes into a will form, it shouldn't be that much. Now, of course, everything has threads that pull, but
yes, yeah. Well, wonderful. Well, Mary, hopefully that gives you some direction that you can take